What up? It's NJ. Might know me as Nelson, but yeah, it's off the zone. Fanfare beat. Fanfare, new medium streets. What streets was that? Cape Coral and Cape Coma 239. Well, I stand at the time in the 91, but it used to be in the 239. And the 239 is where them motherfuckers on their skating grind. And their skating grind is time for. Like time fold. Hold up, we playing poker. It's your time to fold. Cause I ain't bluffing. Hold up, this end of the discussion. They took money, then they got guns and they all gonna wanna rush. And hold up, this ain't Russia, so I don't know why you acting Russian. So back your ass up. Trunk hearse or something. Hold up. What did you say? I don't even know. So why? Got to switch up this flow. It's all off the dome. I ain't writing none of this shit down. I'm just rhyming with words. I'm just playing around. Beats my playground. Let me do this. Now let me do this. Nike checks to it. I don't care what y'all be saying. What I'm pursuing. I got a little different. Could rap about dope, but I don't do the shit cause that lies. I used to do a little dope back in the day. That all shit to the side. Nah, it's time to slide. Jordans, time to get my shit up, out, like it's exported. I'm important, y'all niggas irrelevant. Fucking with the young nigga, you got me hella bent like hot metal. Hot metal, I'm twisting up like hot metal. That's twisted metal, PS2 type shit on that game level. Man, I'm going crazy. The rhymes they can't tame me. They try to get me in a cage, but I did that time and jumped out like a motherfucking lion. And dick, I'm playing, I got the pride, my heart gon' beat it up like a bango drum. Fuck with me, man, they eat up. Y'all niggas dumb. Bang! Ha! It's a little something on. Fanfare on the beat.